Assalamu alaikum friend, hope you are well. Today I discuss about Mercedes-Benz model S280. Today I share with you DLC port location of Mercedes-Benz. So let's start this video. At first we take steering system, steering side. This steering side is right side. Open the bonnet cover and open this cover. Please show this. This is DLC port, but have no DLC port this system, but this is DLC port. This DLC port by diagnosis or scanner connection. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share this video. If has a inquiry, please comment to me. Try to answer to your comment. Thank you very much.